So please welcome Jim once again. I don't think there was a better condition in which we could make this festival regarding the fact that we have Jim with us. Since we have things coming from America that are the worst and the best. Lately, unfortunately, there are many bad things coming from there, but we are very lucky that we have, to my opinion, the best that we could have from America. Mr. Jim Jarmusch.
Thank you. I want to thank the musicians for a beautiful version of that song. It's very moving. And thank you for having me here. I'm just so happy to be here. It's kind of like a strange dream. Emir told me about building this place some years ago, and I thought, he's out of his mind. He's imagining this. But then, knowing him for quite some time, he's always very true to his word. So here it is. So I'm very, very honored to be here and very happy to be here in this place to celebrate cinema and music and the pureness of cinema. So, and I commend all of you who have made films that are being shown here, and I just thank you all for having me here. You'll probably want to get me out of here by tomorrow, but I'm stuck here for now with you, so I'm very happy to be here. Thank you so much.
Designing and looking for the conception of the festival, there is no better way to prove. Actually, last year we had Nikita Mikhalkov, but we cannot prove better than this way that one sticking to his ideas and developing his own world and lasting for, 25... Many years, actually.
65, 80 years now.
So the fact is that I'm so happy that we have Jim here, and I will give him special present from Serbia, made in one of the monasteries here, and called Manasya, very, very old and very important. Thank you, and we could continue with the... Do you want to say something?
No, is it edible though? No, it's beautiful. Look at that. Man, thank you so much. I don't know what to say.
Let's go to see student films.
Good. Thank you.
You screamer, you screamer for ice creamer. Well, no, ice creamer, you screamer for ice creamer. You understand? Ice creamer, you screamer,